Hello, hello. I'm Tito Johnny. Today I'm cooking Leche Flan. 10 eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1 can condensed milk, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. First, crack 10 eggs. After eggs are cracked, separate the yolks from the egg whites. Go ahead and toss the egg whites. Next, add 1 can of condensed milk. Add evaporated milk. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Add 1/2 cup of water. Then stir. Blend for about 5 minutes. Remove top layer of foam. Now for the sugar. Add 1 cup. Slowly cook on low heat. Continue to stir the sugar until it becomes brown. Then add to the pan. Make sure to evenly coat the pan. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Time to cook. Take a metal steam tray, place it in a pot and fill with water no higher than the top of the tray. Let the water boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to pour the mix. Now the water is ready. Let it cook for about 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready once it hardens. We're finished steaming our flan. Make sure to poke the flan to ensure it's ready. The fork should come out clean. That means it's ready. Cover with foil, then refrigerate overnight. After 12 hours in the refrigerator, it should look like this. Then loosen the edges. If you skip this step, it'll be challenging to get the flan out. Now keep a tight seal and put. Ta-da! Now to taste test the flan. Wow, that is delicious. Now you know how to make Leche Flan. Thank you for watching. Definitely Sarap.